Time for another birthday number, 68. OMG, I remember when it was 31. Anyway, trying to do flowers. Thought I'd try easy watercolor flowers. This did not come out very nice at all. Well, I thought, well, this is just horrible. What's the heck's going on here? You know, not that flowers are my specialty or anything. So anyway, I just continued and just hope for the best that maybe something magical will happen later. Anyway, it's like this rose-looking thing, or I don't know, maybe it's a mum or a peony. Try to add some accents. Really looked horrible. Now I try a new one. And this one is, you know, this technique. You have like a light wash, and then you put some pigment in the bottom where the, you know, the center of the flower is. And here, you know, throw in some leaves to context. I got the great idea to put, you know, wet paint and make dots all over the place for the flower action look. And then time to make the number. And boy, I really messed up at 6. So then I let that dry, and I put in, you know, a slightly darker tone on the numbers. Wasn't really perfect, but you know, it had to be done. It's time, and the deadline has passed, so that was it.